explorer,
explorer,
mechanic,
mechanic,
reading together,
reading together,
teacher,
teacher,
planting trees,
planting trees,
building blocks,
building blocks,
steps of success,
steps of success,
book journey,
book journey,
hard work,
hard work,
table tennis,
table tennis,
chess game,
chess game,
chef,
chef,
Holy Quran,
Holy Quran,
volleyball,
volleyball,
electric safety,
electric safety,
firefighter,
firefighter,
tailor,
tailor,
painter,
painter,
judge,
judge,
reporter,
reporter,
graduate,
graduate,
nurse,
nurse,
karate kid,
karate kid,
basketball player,
basketball player,
sailor,
sailor,
fireman,
fireman,
postman,
postman,
magician,
magician,
online learning,
online learning,
helping others,
helping others,
little lion,
little lion,
woman worker,
woman worker,
poor family,
poor family,
young boy,
young boy,
office worker,
office worker,
computer operator,
computer operator,
artist painter,
artist painter,
relaxing woman,
relaxing woman,
laptop user,
laptop user,
programmer,
programmer,
delivery rider,
delivery rider,
team meeting,
team meeting,
poor man,
poor man,
hardworking laborer,
hardworking laborer,
baker,
baker,
soldier,
soldier,
sunflower girl,
sunflower girl,
happy man,
happy man,
angry man,
angry man,
boy with ball,
boy with ball,
kids exercise,
kids exercise,
sleeping man,
sleeping man,
old man using laptop,
old man using laptop,
sneezing boy,
sneezing boy,
creative ideas,
creative ideas,
vaccination,
vaccination,
shaving man,
shaving man,
excavator machine,
excavator machine,
crying boy,
crying boy,
school friends,
school friends,
cold boy,
cold boy,
vomiting boy,
vomiting boy,
stomach pain boy,
stomach pain boy,
sick girl,
sick girl,
stomach ache boy,
stomach ache boy,
cute rabbit,
cute rabbit,
handyman worker,
handyman worker,
little Quran reader,
little Quran reader,